Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another secret website and a series of secret websites where each and every week we talk about the various different websites where you can sell your work and can make more money online. So let's dive in with the series. Today is another secret website and this is also awesome. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. And also guys, soon we are going to start with an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will be going to sending you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content regarding making money online as a creative person. And that would be exclusive to that email newsletter only. It's 100% free. The link is in the description box below. About today's website, because today's website is also amazing. What's unique about this website and how you can sell your work and can make money online, because people often think that whether it's a marketplace or whether it's just a normal website like print on demand website, like which provides a service of the print on demand, but those are not the marketplaces. So now today's website, I haven't heard it before guys. I'm also hearing it along with you because when I was doing the research, I was finding there are so many different art websites, women's website where you can sell your work as a creative person. And some of the websites are completely new to me as well because I'm not selling on them. I haven't heard about it. And I felt like this is the biggest opportunity to this new website that can make you more money. So let's talk about what this website is. This website is vsual.co. Now visual is not V-I-E, it's vsual.co. It's an awesome new website. I just came across recently when I was researching and I was like, wow, I never heard about it. What's this website? So let's talk about this website and how you can sell your work and can make money. On the very first page, home page itself, you're going to see the vsual.co, shop museum grade art prints from amazing artists. Our artists create and upload the incredible artwork. You find the perfect piece. We print on premium paper, custom frame, using high quality materials, carefully package and ship it to you. Everybody's happy. Okay, and then you're going to see the bunch of the different kinds of the topic or niches, whatever you call it, depending on the illustration, painting, photography, 3D art, collage, graphic design, digital, abstract, black and white, and yeah. Just scroll down, you're gonna see the bunch of the artworks that people are selling, the featured shops, and yeah. Now let's talk about what this website is. Let's talk about the About Us section, then we're gonna talk about selling your art on this website. So when we move over to the About Us section, buying and selling art should feel good. Vsual is a print-on-demand marketplace for artists and buyers with good taste. Wow! Print-on-demand marketplace, guys, for artists and makers with a good taste. So you can sell it. It's a print-on-demand marketplace. You can open up your shop and get started with that. Amazing, isn't it? Let's talk about more about it. Every purchase pays an artist. Whenever you buy art on visual, a portion of your purchase goes straight into the artist's pocket. Okay, streamlined product offering. Tired of waiting through overwhelming product offerings in visual, you won't find any shower curtains or fanny packs. We offer beautiful museum grade frame and frame prints. That's pretty amazing, especially if you're the buyer. In a number of sizes on a premium paper, and that's it. Not just a buyer. In fact, if you are a person who is selling your work, it's also an amazing thing that you're going to get a museum quality prints. Pretty amazing. You get the feeling of museum artist. We ship anywhere in the world. We do our best to ensure your order will arrive at its destination quickly, safely, and affordably. Orders are typically sent out within 2 to 3 days, and multiple shipping option can be selected at checkout depending on how soon you need your order. That's also amazing. So depending on how soon you need, you can choose a multiple different options. Usually they send out at 2 to 3 days, and that's what about the section. Now we were going to go over to the section about selling your art because that's pretty amazing, and then we were gonna go into the what different kinds of products they offer since the print-on-demand websites. So I think I'm gonna cover the product first because I am also really excited to know about it. So let's talk about the products. What are the different products that they cover on their website? Because that's most interesting. When we are looking for print-on-demand marketplace, we first of all look at what are the different kind of products they are offering, like where we can place our work on that. So our products, the visual product catalog is simple. we offer beautiful high-end framed and unframed art prints. We print using archival grade ink on premium paper stock. Our frames are custom made using high quality materials and come ready to hang. So you can see the different kinds of frame art prints. Our flagship product, this is what we are best known for. Each frame is custom made to perfectly fit the artwork. Optionally, a mat board which sits between the frame and the artwork can be included to give a more finished look, made in the United States. So it's a United States based company and pretty amazing. Okay, flat metal frame. So this is the one type of frame. You could modern and sleek, you could choose the different kinds of the color. The natural wood frame is also there. Then people can also buy the unframed art prints. Our unframed art prints are printed using archival grade ink or museum grade paper stock. Each print is custom cut to fit the artwork and includes a 0.5 inches white border. Pretty amazing. Then you could have a semi-gloss, super matte, and these type of options. So basically you're gonna place your work on the framed prints or unframed prints. That's the two kind of products they have. It's quite simple. The two products catalog, that's all. You don't need to much go into the t-shirts, stickers, and all those kind of stuff. You're selling the art prints. Now let's talk about how you're gonna open up a shop on this website, because that is pretty amazing and I am really interested in. Are you interested in that? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's dive in. Let's talk about opening up a shop on this website, because that's pretty interesting for me as well. Making art is hard. Selling it should be easy, isn't it? Especially for the artists who are original artists, who are a designer. We know the hard work that we put into creating the work, and also the print-on-demand seller who are creating the work from scratch, or even if they are putting a lot of time in creating the designs and putting a lot of hard work and time into that, then you know that making it is not simple as it may sound. So, which will make selling art print easy. Open your store in 5 minutes. No inventory necessary. We print on demand. If you focus on the art, we will handle the rest. We will handle all transactions, printing, fulfillment, and customer service end to end. And best of all, visual is free to use. So it's 100% free to get started with that. That's pretty amazing, guys. I was also looking for such marketplace of print on demand, free of cost, and yeah. Art is personal. Your store should be too, isn't it? Visual shops are beautiful on every device. Custom storefronts allow you to showcase your art exactly the way you want. Categories, variations, and tags help you merchandise your artwork. Then you're just gonna click on the link. That's the open up a shop. I'm gonna leave the link of this website description box below, guys. You can check it out. Maximize profit, minimize cost. Building a shop on Visual is free. No fees, no surprises. All we charge is a transparent base price for each print you sell. That's quite obvious since they are doing print on demand, so they're gonna take a base price of every product. Okay, you control your markup, review base price and markup. You can increase your profit margin and you can go into depth. I'm gonna leave the link of this website in the description box below. You can check it out. Artists retain all rights. Artists own and retain all the rights to their work. Automatic watermarks. That's pretty amazing, guys, because when we are selling our work, we need a watermark to protect our artwork. So we automatically watermark all listing images to protect your work, which is amazing. Then the PayPal, we pay out all profits within 7 days of each sale using PayPal. So you're gonna get paid by PayPal. That's pretty amazing, guys. You already have a PayPal account which you're getting payout from the Redbubble, from other print-on-demand websites. So you're gonna get the payout within 7 days of each sale using PayPal. Amazing. Then you can do, I think I'm gonna go a little bit more depth into the seller FAQ. So somebody who's really interested in selling their work on this website, it will going to be helpful for them as well. So in the FAQ, I'm going to be talking about payout, because receiving payout, we need to know first of all before actually opening up a store on this platform. Payout for sales are made through PayPal within 7 days of a purchase. The payout will be paid to the PayPal email address associated with your shop. If you already have a PayPal account associated with the email, the transfer will be immediate. If you don't, then you can make your first sale. You'll be prompted to create a PayPal account. So make sure you create a one before that, then only apply for that. It's an artist's responsibility to ensure that you receive payouts via PayPal. When purchasing your own prints, you can also purchase your own prints. When you place an order for your own artworks and log into Visual account, it's not considered a sale. We consider this a simple order. The artist markup is not included in the price you pay and you don't receive a payout. So if you're purchasing your own prints, you're not definitely gonna receive the payout for that, because they're gonna price the simple price only, the base price only. Your markup won't be included in that. The thing is about how to prepare files for upload, because this could also be the major criteria how you could actually go with that. You can upload either JPEG, PNG files. If you upload a PNG file with transparency, you'll be able to optionally add a background color. Color spaces, you could check the RGB 2:1 and all those kind of stuff. File dimension is 36. Your file must be 900 pixels on its smaller size. We recommend your upload should be at least 3600 pixels on its smaller size, and minimum is the 900. File sizes, maximum upload size is 50 MB. I think it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Nothing more and nothing much depth I would see. It's quite simple. Like, you just need to open up a shop, enter your email address, enter your detail, enter your PayPal, and the file details are already there. And I feel like it's quite simple and quite easy to get started with that. You need to have a title. You could mention about your art. It's a 3D art, illustration, painting, photography, collage, graphic designing, or other. So if you're a printer image seller, definitely you're gonna go with the graphic design. And if you take the pictures, then the photography, or either some other than that, the illustration, painting, and all that. So multiple techniques, you could also maintain that. You can also write the style of the artwork, the watercolor, gouache, tags, that is document purchasing your own prints, print samples. So there is also the one section about featuring the artist. There is no application process for artists to be featured. Our curators review all new shops within first 2 weeks and review shops periodically. They feature the favorites, as we know that art is inherently subjective. We do our best to pull visual to be useful for all artists. What currencies are supported? At this time, we only support selling in United States. So they only support selling in United States because they are mainly focusing in United States. It's a pretty amazing website. Consider it's free to get started with that. You can sell your work. It's quite simple, quite straightforward. You're selling your framed prints, your unframed prints as well. And I feel that the website is pretty simple to conquer, not much in depth and detail. You could very well check out the website. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. But again, guys, do let me know in the comment section below, selling on this website or not. What are your views about it? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.